Imagine if your money didn't just sit there, but it actually worked for you, day and night. Think about getting a little deposit into your bank account, not because you went to work, but because you simply own a piece of a great company. That, my friends, is the power of a dividend. If you've heard of passive income but aren't sure how to get started, you are in the exact right place. Welcome to Business Training Media's Personal Finance and Investing series. In today's video, we're breaking down dividend investing for absolute beginners. By the end of this short explainer, you'll know what dividends are, how they work, and how you can start collecting them yourself. What is a dividend? Let's start with the basics. It's simple. A dividend is a reward. When you buy a company's stock, you become a tiny part owner. When that company makes a profit, their board of directors may decide to share a portion of that profit directly with you, the owner. That payment is the dividend. Think of it as a cash bonus for owning a successful business. Most companies pay these bonuses quarterly or 4 times a year. So why do companies pay them out? Primarily, stable, well-established businesses that aren't aggressively expanding. Companies like utility providers or major retailers use dividends to attract and keep investors. Paying a consistent dividend shows the world that the company is profitable, stable, and confident in its future. It's a huge vote of confidence. Now, the magic isn't just getting the payment, the magic is what you do with it. The snowball effect, reinvesting. The real secret to dividend wealth is called reinvesting. When you receive a cash dividend, instead of spending it, you use that money to buy even more shares of the same stock. Those new shares then generate even more dividends, which buys even more shares, and so on. This creates a powerful snowball effect known as compounding. Over time, this compounding process is how a small initial investment can grow into a significant source of passive income without you having to add any new money. It turns those small quarterly payments into a serious growth engine. As an absolute beginner, where do you find these stocks? Look for companies often called blue chip or dividend aristocrats. These are large, stable companies that have a long history of not just paying, but actually increasing their dividends year after year. Focus on consistency and safety over chasing the highest possible yield. A company that pays a small, reliable dividend is always better than one that pays a huge dividend today, but might cut it tomorrow. Start safe. Start steady. Understanding dividends is the first step toward building genuine passive income. Now it's time to put this knowledge into practice. Want to learn more? Check out our top recommended courses linked right in the description below. Some offer free enrollment and previews to get you started. Click on the links now. You can also find more videos from our channel popping up right here, or visit us online at businesstrainingmedia.com for more learning courses and skill-building resources. Thanks for watching.